In this video, I'm going to share a little bit about where I've been, what I've been doing, what I'm hoping to do. So if you'd like to see some of my plans for the WW program, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. And welcome back it is. It has been a while since I have made any videos. I have my excuses. I did go to Vegas. I was there for almost 7 weeks. I had the intentions of staying on plan, and as you can see from my last video, I started the trip off as being well prepared and willing to accept the challenge. But after being there, I did not stay on track. But I have to say, you didn't fail if you didn't quit, and I didn't quit. I have just had a lot of things going on, working mostly 6 days a week. It's hard to put in videos. I mean, I brought my video camera, to film videos and what I eat in a day, but I just did not have the time or energy to do those videos. So I ended up eating a lot of meals in the employee dining room, which is not to say that those were good meals. Sometimes they were, sometimes they were not, but I didn't think they would be of any help to you guys. So what I did now, I am restarting the program. I did not quit. So in this video, I'm going to share a back to Ohio grocery haul that I did to start eating healthy and eating well. I'm going to share a few ideas for some meals that I'm eating. It's not more what I eat in the day, but some of the food that I will eat during my program. So my plans for the month of August, then we're going to take it 1 month at a time. I'm going to try to get my 10,000 steps a day. And let me tell you, when you haven't done those steps every day, I could feel it, the workout in my legs. So I'm going to share with you a few of the ways I decide to help me get 10,000 steps a day, and what I'm doing on my eating. But I just have to keep focusing on one thing, that I didn't fail if I didn't quit, and I didn't quit. I did have my first week's weigh-in. I lost 7 pounds since I got back. So that is a good first week, and we're gonna go from there and build on from there. So let's see where this video takes us. I found that once you stop walking 10,000 steps a day and you try to get them in again, it is difficult. I am doing it. That is my commitment for the month of August, to get those 10,000 steps. 3 days in, my legs are feeling it. But I'm doing it in different ways. I'll walk around the lake. Sometimes I finish up the steps with an exercise video at home. And we're doing it any way we can, as you can see in this video. But now that I'm back in Ohio, I enjoy the greenery that Ohio offers. Vegas is a very dry and desert area. It's hot, very hot while we were there, but back here in Ohio, it is nice temperatures. There's a breeze. It is comfortable to walk in, and I'm enjoying the weather so much. It makes it very nice for walking. I'm walking around the lake again, like I always have before. And so that's how we're gonna get some steps in today, walking around the lake. It's gotten pretty hot today. I went garage sailing this morning. I don't know if anybody likes to go garage sales. Sometimes I like to go out and look for some bargains, so I got some steps in that way. And now I walked around the lake, and I think I'm going to go in the air conditioning and get some steps on the treadmill in our community gym. So we're gonna do that. So here we are. Let's get some steps on one of these treadmills. It's nice and air conditioned. Here I am walking on the treadmill. Not really fast, but at least it's air conditioned. I'll pick up 1,000 steps in here. As long as I'm here, I thought I would do a little bit on the indoor cycle. Look at me exercising again, yay! My goal for August is to get 10,000 steps a day, so I thought I'd come out and take a walk in some of the pretty nature in the area. It's a beautiful evening. It's so nice to walk in Ohio compared to the weather I was in Las Vegas. It was over 114 degrees a lot of days. It was hot. And you come here and everything is nice and green and pretty. On this day, I actually got some steps at Dave & Buster's. I was there with my grandkids. Didn't get out today, but I got my steps in walking around here, watching them play. So that's a cool way to get steps. It does take effort to get 10,000 steps a day. Here I am walking at the community center, and this is day 4 of my August challenge. Tonight I am walking to get some steps along Tinker's Creek. This is a little area around Ohio. I said my dad used to take me here when I was little with my girlfriends. We'd ride in the park, walk in the water, climb in the falls. It's really a cool area, has lots of memories, and I took my kids there, but it's nice to walk. Very peaceful, very pretty. Once again, I got my goal in. So next we're gonna go on to a grocery haul. Okay, I got a Walmart grocery haul here. I'm trying to get a little bit of food to make sure I stay on track, avoiding the unhealthy items. I got some leaner ground beef, not the 96% fat-free because, man, those prices went up. Some carrots, some green peppers. I have a tomato, some mushrooms, cans of the Chunk Light Tuna in water. I am making some American Goulash by Emily Bites. I have some diced tomatoes and some tomato sauce to put in the recipe. I'm going to use that with the ground beef. Got light Miracle Whip. I like to put this on sandwiches or egg salad. It is 1 point for 2 tablespoons. So that is what I get for that for. I got some pizza sauce to make some pizzas in the air fryer on a bagel thin with some turkey pepperoni. A couple of salad dressings. I got this Skinny Girl poppy seed dressing. It is 0 points for up to 3 tablespoons, I believe. And then the ranch dressing I like is this classic Bolthouse Farms ranch dressing. It is 1 point for 2 tablespoons. I got a box of the Good Thins made with corn sea salt to snack. Could dip it in some refried beans, which are 0 points, or put some fat-free cheddar cheese on it, melt it, make some little nachos. I got a few ears of corn. Those are 0 points. I like to have them in the summer. I got a couple cans of the 98% fat-free cream of mushroom soup and the 98% fat-free cream of chicken soup. Both of those I like to use in recipes. I got a couple of ambrosia apples, a bag of broccoli florets. My favorite bread is this Sara Lee Delightful White Bread. It is 1 point per piece, and I use it for any sandwiches. It's really good. I had a pack of 0 point chicken breasts. I had a head of cabbage. I am going to try browning up some cabbage with some onions and mushrooms to have as a meal or a side. I really like cabbage and mushrooms and onions, so I'm going to put them together without the meat. Got 3 bags of frozen vegetables mixed, 2 bags of mixed, and 1 bag of cut green beans. And then I got some zero sugar Cool Whip. I have some chocolate graham crackers that I had bought, and I am going to make some ice cream sandwiches out of them. I got 2 containers of iced coffee. One is the Stok that I usually get, and I also like this Starbucks blonde roast. They're both pretty mild. So that is my little grocery haul to get started and make sure I have healthy food around. Some of the things I like to make for breakfast are avocado toast. I use the Sara Lee white bread, measure out in grams some avocado, and sprinkle it with some everything but the bagel seasoning. I also like to make sausage sandwiches. I use a bagel thin, 1 egg, a piece of deluxe American cheese, and 1 piece of turkey sausage, and that makes a really yummy low point breakfast sandwich. Another favorite breakfast is to make a cheese omelet. It is really good. I use the deluxe American cheese for 2 points, some blueberries, and I have a bagel thin with some butter and sugar-free jelly on it. So that is another good breakfast idea. I like to make some egg salad with hard-boiled eggs, 1 point's worth of light mayo, a little bit of mustard, and put it between 2 pieces of Sara Lee Delightful Bread for a 3-point sandwich. Another idea, I like to make some pizzas. I use a bagel thin. I put them in the air fryer for about 2 minutes to brown them. Add some sauce, some turkey pepperoni, some light mozzarella, and you have some really tasty little pizza-like lunch. Very good. One of my favorite dinners to make, it's really good for meal prep, is a recipe for American Goulash by Emily Bites. It is about 7 points for a 2-cup serving. I have it with corn. For dinner, one night I made some pepper steak. I browned some peppers and onions in the wok, and then I added some gravy packs to that, and I grilled some steak. You can also use chicken if you like that. And then I had it for dinner with 6 points worth of rice. And that was a really tasty meal that everybody liked. Also good for meal prep. Another meal I made, I fried up some cabbage, onions, and then I also added mushrooms on the side because everybody doesn't like mushrooms. And I served it with some grilled chicken for a 0-point meal. One of the cool things when I was in Vegas that happened, my son won a World Series of Poker bracelet. I don't know if any of you are familiar with that, but last year my daughter won one, and this year my son won one. It's pretty cool that I'm the mother of 2 bracelet winners. It's pretty rare occurrence. There's only 1 set of brother and sister that have won a bracelet throughout the years that they've been doing the World Series of Poker, which I believe is about 55 years. And so that was pretty awesome part of the summer. I've been doing these videos for almost 3 years. I have not reached my goal. I went backwards, but like I said, I didn't fail if I didn't quit. So we just have to build on from here. It's disappointing when I look back and see where I could have been and where I am now, but we'll just keep on trying. Hopefully I'll share some good results with you every week. So that's going to be the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this mishmash of ideas for the Weight Watchers programs. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.